me Jollibee spaghetti.
I was not born to be a thief. But there's a thief in this house. And we will find out who she is.
She?
They or them.
What happened to the butter? I just bought this one yesterday. It's already empty.
You know, Apple, please refrain from accusing anybody. Maybe you do it yourself.
Who ate this? This is for work.
I don't know what to say, Apple. I'm sorry. But he ate it. He ate fast. I told you, divorce him. He's a liar.
Mother, are you homophobic?
Number 1, you're gay. Number 2, I have a lesbian daughter. Number 3, I watch RuPaul's Drag Race. How can I be homophobic, idiot?